17,000 ordered. It's customer top rated. We'll bring those customer top ratings up in a second because I want to read what our viewers had to say. But as popular as it's been, and people who have raved about it, didn't get it on 5 easy payments. They're getting it now on 5 easy payments for the first day ever. $8.
I mean, come on.
We do not have a lot of these babies to go around. Nice to have you here, buddy.
Great to be here, pal.
One of our long-term guests here and great friends, Drew Huffman. Black, white, tan, and then red.
Yes.
Few hundred in each, and that's it. What is all the buzz about?
Well, right away, I mean, you look at this fan, and I want to go through the features real quick, then I want to really talk about why it's different than all the other fans. But what I love about this is we give you all these functions here. Right now, this is the power switch right here, you're going to see there. This is our oscillating outer grill switch, which I'll show you in a minute. Then we've got our speeds right here. You've got up to 4 speeds. Then we've got a timer, up to an 8-hour timer, and people go, Drew, why do you need a timer? Stay tuned, I'm going to tell you about that.
I want this fan.
Then we've got a breeze function, and what that does is actually duplicates a breeze as if your window is open coming in and out. But the best part, Rick, is gives you a remote and all the same functions that are on the fan are in the remote. Oh, and by the way, it comes with batteries, and we even give you a place to store the remote right on the back. When you're not using it, you just put that there, it holds it there in place.
Now, you're giving me the technical ease of use stuff,
Yes,
which is great.
yes.
But that's not the wow of this fan.
No, no.
Here's the wow of the fan in 3, 2, 1.
We're going to show the bubbles in just a second.
Here come the bubbles. Here's what it's not.
This is what it's not. It's not that old box fan you're used to seeing, right? This is a fan that blows air in one direction. What you're seeing right now on your screen is that box fan. But what you're seeing next is also an oscillating fan that covers one side of the room to the next. But when the camera comes back, you're going to see that there are bubbles all over the room and where we are right now. That's your oscillating fan. Goes from one room to the next. That's good for Rick on your side, but not good for me.
This is the item. I got to see the bubbles.
Right, you got to see the bubbles. And the reason why the bubbles are going all over the air, all around this space, is because we have a 5-blade fan followed by 42 additional blades on top of it that are curved.
5 times 42.
Right.
What's happening?
Well, what's happening is it's distributing the air all around the room and cooling the whole room, not just one person in one area.
Are they working in different, like KitchenAid mixer, like they're moving
exactly.
in planetary
you can
action?
See here right now, we'll show you right here. I can have this going on. You can see that
One's
it's going
moving one way, the other's moving the other way.
Now I can do it. It's going to go back the other way. And what you want to do is quickly use that when you start it to really get the air moving in the room.
Right.
Get that stale, heavy air.
It's a tornado kind of thing is what it is,
Move
right?
it around to get the air moving, because once you move the air around, you're going to cool the whole room.
You're going to cool the whole room. I'm telling you, I mean, this feels great, and it looks cool,
Yep.
and this baby is back as now 250 people are shopping.
So
what do you got over here, Drew?
Well, so one of the things I talk about is actually using the fan as a way to help distribute air, bring fresh air in from the outside, but you can also turn it around and blow out air in a stuffy room. Maybe you're working the upstairs attic. You want to get that hot air and exhaust it out of a room. Just turn the fan around and blow that room out, or blow that air out.
Well, you know what I would do?
Bring the cool air in.
I'd put this near the vent to the air conditioner.
Hey, that's another suggestion.
Just a thought.
And people don't think about that, Rick, but
I just thought of it.
Well, and wow, funny that we have here something to show.
Oh, that's amazing.
So really, what I talk about here is, you know, folks, go back to when you were in grade school and they talk about earth science and how cold air is heavy and warm air is hot, is light, so it rises. So with cool air in your air conditioning, what you want to do is, especially if on the second floor of your home, put this fan either right behind it and push the air that way, or you can even put it in front of it and it'll suck that cool air out.
Move it.
But what it's doing is, just like the bubbles before, you're taking that cool, heavy air and you're pushing it through the room. You're pushing it around the room, so
and not just one direction, as you mentioned.
Exactly. So it's making your air conditioner more efficient.
I will tell you,
especially in second floors of homes.
And here's the story. This is where it really comes alive. And again, here come the customer top ratings in a second. You think about what your air conditioning bill is per month, right? Let's say you could save a couple dollars by turning the air conditioner down, but distributing that cold air. Could you maybe save $8 a month? Well, it happens to be on $8 easy payment.
There you go.
So guess what? This thing just pays for itself. By far the best area fan I've ever purchased, Drew. It does the job to perfection, efficient, small footprint, and it cools the room. I love this fan. It keeps the living room cool, and it's very quiet. Where I live, we jump from winter straight to summer heat. 5 stars, 5 stars, and 5 stars. It's customer top rated. This, first time ever, and they didn't even get it on 5Z payments, and they're giving it 5 stars. Here's another one. I thought this was small, but this is really efficient and effective fan. I'm enjoying this. Glad I ordered. The red is pretty too. How about that? Thank you, Buckeye fan. You just gave it 5 stars. That's pretty cool. It must feel good to see those ratings.
Well, it does, because you know what? Homes prides itself. They've been around for over 30 years, trying to bring solutions to home comfort appliances. What does that mean? That means we want to make a better fan, right? That's going to give you a better experience than what you may have been used to. What I love about this is it's very lightweight, around 6 pounds, so it's portable. You can carry it around the house. Put it in your bedroom window. Use that remote control. Don't get out. Use the breeze function. Bring the cool air in to that room.
You got to have a fan.
You got to have a fan.
Or 3. So here's a story. If you want it, customer top rated, best price, and 18,000 ordered, and it's never been on 5Z payments before. Here's what we have remaining in the red. 250 remaining, Drew.
Wow.
In front of me is the black, 650 remaining, that's it. In the white down here, 550, a 600 and a tan. I got another reason why this is so awesome. Describing other fans out there, here's 2 words. Sticker shock.
What?
Like, am I buying a Hyundai or am I buying a fan? What am I buying?
Listen,
with this?
there's different.
Why does this fan have to? No, there's different. But come on,
Right,
this is
I
5Z payments of $8, not 5Z payments of $80.
I always laugh. Some fans are the price of air conditioners, right? I think what I love about this is that the portability of it makes it so. Let's face it, you spend most of your time in 1 or 2 rooms: the family room, the bedroom, maybe the kitchen. Why do you want to turn that AC down, that unit down the whole way? Or maybe you don't have AC. Why do you want to turn it down so the whole house gets cool when you're only in 1 or 2 rooms? Doesn't make sense to me.
Let's go to Lisa from South Carolina, who has it and is picking up another one. How about that?
Wow.
Hello, Lisa. How are you?
I'm great. How are y'all?
Good. It's hot in terms of popularity, but it's cool in terms of what it does. One of our hottest selling fans that we have on QVC is here to keep you cool. Why do you already love the one that you have, Lisa?
It works.
It works. Well, that kind of lays it out there. Silly question, doggone it. Rick, it works.
That's the bar.
That's great. How do you know it's working? Where is it in your home, Lisa? What room is it in?
It's in my home office. I work from home, and it stays in front of the air conditioning vent. There's only one in this room, and it's usually very hot because it's on the sunny side of the house, and it's been so much better since I've had this fan.
Well, here we go.
That's another great use, right? There's that one room that is facing the sun, depending on what time of day it is. What a great use of this fan.
Was it worth the money of $39 to bring this into that home office all day, Lisa?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Right? There it is in front of that air conditioner, hot room, sunny room, keeps it cooler. And by the way, utilize that air conditioning, because otherwise you got to crank the air conditioning. It costs you another $40 a month just to crank it up, right, Lisa?
Yes, it does, and it's an older unit, and I really don't want to crank it up.
There you go. I'm glad you're coming back for more. Thank you for shopping today.
Uh-huh.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, Lisa.
Bye-bye.
5Z payments for the first time ever. Customer top rated, 18,000 ordered. It's a top find, one of the stars of kind of the sister to today's special value. And again, it's about the movement of it.
The movement of the air.
Well, people love a lot of things, like that remote, right?
Like the remote control, the fact that you can sit from your bed or your easy chair and control all the functions. All the same functions on the remote are on the fan. You've got your power switch, you've got your switch to turn on and off the oscillating grill, you've got your speeds, you've got your timer. Why do I need a timer on this, Rick? Do you know why? I'm going to tell you.
Are you testing me, or are you going to?
I'm just going to tell you.
I can tell you.
So at night, sometimes we put the right when it still gets cool
all night. I want it like 3 o'clock in the morning.
Right. So 3 o'clock in the morning, you don't be like this. It automatically goes off at that 1, 2, 4, or 8 hour time segment. Then we have a breeze function.
I answered that. I could have.
I know. I just wanted to give you a softball.
What's the breeze segment?
So breeze is pretty cool. I like this. So what the fan actually does is speed up and slow down, and it duplicates that cold breeze that might be coming in your window. People like not only the way that physically feels on their body, but they like the sound. So you can see that the fan speeds up and slows down. So it's like, right?
A little bit of Aruba.
Yes.
It's or the Aruba fan, right?
Whatever other tropical location
you
dream
choose your own tropical
So that's really a unique feature to this. And I find that really people don't know what it is, and then you describe it like, oh, I get it. That sounds like it. It's almost like your white noise that you might like at night.
You know what time it is?
It's bubble time.
It's bubble time. V35526. What's the point of showing the bubbles? Well, to show you what it is, to show you what it's not.
Yeah, this is the old way, right? This is a box fan that moves air in one direction. With the bubbles that go all around the room, you'll see with the box fan, one direction is one way.
This is like the price of a box fan.
Exactly.
Doesn't cost any more.
Then you have an oscillating fan that goes from one side of the room to the other. So it might get you cool, Rick, but it's not going to get me cool. No, when we take 5 blades, with the Homes Blizzard, and we overlay that with 42 additional curved blades, that's why you get all the bubbles all around the room. They're up, down, sideways, down below. The cool air is circulating throughout the whole room, not just in one direction, not just at one person. Cool the room, bring down the room, then everybody benefits.
Right?
How was that?
One person's happy, the other person's sweating on the other side of the room.
That's no
Everybody's
fun.
happy, right? Hey, how many people just in the show alone? 1,400 people are shopping right now in the moment. Red, almost gone. And here's something I got to tell you. Like sometimes, and you know this from fashion, you know it from jewelry, you know it from a lot of products. If an item sells out, it takes a while to get back in stock.
Well, especially this time of the year.
And guess what it is? It's summertime coming, right? We went from winter to summer.
It's coming.
So the time to get a great fan, our hottest selling fan, is right now, today. Best payment plan we've ever offered. All the colors are here, and you get it in the next couple of days in time to keep cool. Alicia is joining us right now from New York. Hi, Alicia.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well, doing well. A hot, humid New York coming up very, very quickly, right?
Yes.
Another great summer.
Yes.
Where's this fan going in your home, and how's it going to come in handy?
The fan is going to go in my bedroom. And the reason why I ordered it is, first of all, I love the color. I ordered the tan. It's going to complement my paint color and my carpeting, my bedding, and I just like the fact that I'll be able to keep the room cool in the summer without turning the AC on in the entire home.
Yeah, if you can do that and just turn it down, Drew, a couple degrees, literally, this could pay for itself.
Yeah, and listen.
Sure,
and
absolutely.
It's just as important to exhaust that hot air in the room as it is to bring in the cool air, right? So just moving the air is going to bring it down.
Absolutely, yeah. And I just, it just looks like it's just a beautiful fan. And I also like the remote. That feature is nice. You don't have to get up and turn it off and turn it on or whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no need. Just relax in your favorite chair, kick back, and let the Homes fan do the work.
Absolutely.
I'm glad you got in just in time, Alicia. Take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Well, we had the red, and we don't have it anymore. It's sold out.
Red
it's
is
going very
gone.
quickly. In fact, red is completely gone. I'm not sure when it's coming back. 5 easy payments for the first time. Here's what we have remaining, Drew.
Yes.
And the tan you've got it in front of you.
Right.
Alicia just picked it up. Only 300 remaining.
I like
That's
that
it.
tan.
350 white, and the black, 200 remaining. We had 600 of them in the black. So this is really taking off. A couple hundred of each, and that's going to be sold out. So again, 1 minute. A fan is a commodity. You can buy a fan anywhere.
True.
So why are we bringing this on QVC? It's got to be a special fan.
It's a great fan, but the biggest reason is the technology, right? It's a light footprint, under 6 pounds, big carrying handle, but the biggest thing is the oscillating grill. The 5 blades covered by the additional 42 give whole room circulation, not one direction airflow. That's really important when you want to cool a whole room. You're able to do that because of that technology. 5 blades covered by 42. Then on top of that, we give you all the features that you really need on the power switch to turn that oscillating grill on and off.
Is there a timer?
There is a timer.
You know why you want a timer?
Why do you want a timer?
Because late at night, you might want it going all night long. You might want to just go for like 4 hours, right?
That's right.
Not a problem at all.
You want to be able to turn it up to 8 hours.
Is there a breeze function?
There's a breeze function.
Because you know what the breeze function does?
What does it do?
Like a big breeze and a soft breeze,
right?
Like a
It's
Aruba
the white
or Jamaica,
noise,
right? Little white noise.
Exactly. And then of course you've got onboard storage for the remote. By the way, folks, don't forget, batteries come with the remote. And one of the things too, I want to address this. One customer said when they bought this before, it didn't come with a power cord. It did, and I really am remiss because I didn't obviously explain it. The cord gets stored right under here in the back. So when you get this, the cord will be inside this pocket. Don't think you didn't get a power cord, just open this little compartment.
You were remiss last time?
I was remiss.
Well, good word.
Yeah, well, word power from high school.
B35526. 500 remaining, and that's within all these colors. Red gone, first time 5 easy payments. Drew Huffman, always a pleasure, buddy.
Always a pleasure, Rick. Thank you very much.